guys, so I found this really nasty mirror. It looks a little bit broken in the trash, and so I was like, all right, it's completely free. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it, and I'm gonna upcycle it and reuse it. So if you want to know what I do to this mirror, I guess we'll just have to find out, won't you? Just keep on watching. The first thing I did with that mirror is I actually removed the backing of it and I cleaned it off with a cloth. So now we just have the frame and the mirror's right over here. The next thing I'm gonna do is I just picked out whatever kind of spray paint I want to do, and I'm gonna give it a quick coat of spray paint all over, and then let it dry. Maybe do a second coat depending on what I want to actually do with this. I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna give it another coat. Alright guys, check out what I did with the mirror. So this is 2 coats of spray paint. I just reused the frame and put the mirror back in, cleaned it up. And then I used one of those Dollar Tree wall decor stickers. And I just stuck it on there, and now it's a beautiful brand new mirror. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.